Corn silk is the long, thread-like strands of plant material that grow underneath the husk of a fresh ear of corn. These shiny, thin fibers aid the pollination and growth of corn, but they're also used in traditional herbal medicine practices. Corn silk contains a variety of plant compounds that may be responsible for various health effects. In traditional Chinese and Native American medicine, it's used to treat a variety of ailments, including prostate problems, malaria, urinary tract infections, and heart disease. More recent research indicates that it may also help reduce blood pressure, cholesterol, blood sugar, and inflammation. Corn silk may be used fresh but is often dried before being consumed as a tea or extract. It may also be taken as a pill. Antioxidants are plant compounds that protect your body's cells against free radical damage and oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is one of the major causes of a number of chronic conditions, including diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and inflammation. Corn silk is a naturally rich source of flavonoid antioxidants. Multiple test tube and animal studies demonstrate that its flavonoids reduce oxidative stress and protect against free radical damage. These compounds may be responsible for many of corn silk's benefits. Inflammation is part of your body's natural immune response. However, excessive inflammation is linked to a variety of illnesses, including heart disease and diabetes. Test tube and animal studies have found that corn silk extract may reduce inflammation by suppressing the activity of two major inflammatory compounds. This stringy plant fiber also contains magnesium, which helps regulate your body's inflammatory response. That said, human research is needed. Some research indicates that corn silk may lower blood sugar and help manage diabetes symptoms. One animal study noted that diabetic mice given corn silk flavonoids had significantly reduced blood sugar compared to a control group. A recent test tube study also revealed that antioxidants in this corn product may help prevent diabetic kidney disease. Although these results are promising, human studies are needed. Corn silk may be an effective treatment for high blood pressure. First, it encourages the elimination of excess fluid from your body. As such, it could be a natural alternative to prescribed diuretics, which are often used to reduce blood pressure. What's more, a recent study in rats discovered that corn silk extract significantly reduced blood pressure by inhibiting the activity of angiotensin-converting enzyme. In one 8-week study, 40 people with high blood pressure were given increasing amounts of this supplement until they reached a dose of 118 mg per pound of body weight. Their blood pressure dropped significantly compared to that of a control group, with those given the highest dose experiencing the greatest reduction. Still, more human research is needed. Corn silk may also lower cholesterol. One animal study found that mice given corn silk extract experienced significant reductions in total and LDL cholesterol alongside increases in HDL cholesterol. In another study in mice fed a high-fat diet, those that received corn silk experienced significantly lower total cholesterol than those that did not get this supplement. Even so, human research is needed. Because human research on corn silk is limited, official dosage recommendations haven't been established. A variety of factors could influence your body's reaction to this supplement, including age, health status, and medical history. Most available research suggests that corn silk is non-toxic and that daily doses as high as 4.5 grams per pound of body weight are likely safe for most people. That said, most labels for corn silk supplements recommend considerably lower doses of 400 to 450 mg taken 2 to 3 times per day. It's recommended to start with a low dose to ensure that your body responds favorably, then increase it gradually if necessary. If you're unsure about an appropriate dosage, consult your medical provider. While very few adverse effects have been reported, corn silk may not be safe for everyone. If you've experienced an allergic reaction to corn or corn products, you should avoid corn silk. You should avoid this product if you're taking potassium supplements or have been treated for low potassium levels, as corn silk may increase excretion of this mineral. Additionally, it's important to consider the quality of the supplement you buy. In certain countries, including the United States, herbal supplements are not regulated. Therefore, it's best to choose a brand that has been tested by a third party, such as NSF International, Consumer Lab, or US Pharmacopoeia. Be sure to check the ingredient list on the label, as other herbs are sometimes added. If you're uncertain whether corn silk is an appropriate supplement for your routine, consult your medical practitioner. Corn silk is a natural corn fiber used in traditional Chinese and Native American medicine. Research is limited, but some studies suggest that it may reduce inflammation, blood sugar, and blood pressure. While corn silk is likely safe for most people, you should consult your medical practitioner before taking it.